Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura A1 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we had to open the entire machine up in order to get to the brew unit. Once we got to the brew unit, we replaced the O-rings of the brew unit, service it, deep clean it as this brew unit was a bit dirty. We let it soak there on coffee cleaner for a bit, and then we disassemble it, replace the gaskets of the brew unit, put it back together, do a descaling cycle of the machine as well as a cleaning one. And yeah, that's all what we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be testing it out with one espresso shot. Infusion and extraction. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine, excellent color as well. Good shot of espresso. Nice crema, great color, looking great. So there you have it, Jura A1 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for replaying with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.